Vehicle wraps, making a lasting impression on wheels. Vehicle wraps have revolutionized the way businesses promote their brand and make a powerful statement on the move. These eye-catching vinyl coverings transform ordinary vehicles into mobile billboards, attracting attention wherever they go. With vibrant designs and high-quality graphics, vehicle wraps turn heads and leave a lasting impression on potential customers. Working with the right installer is crucial to ensure the success and longevity of vehicle wraps. A professional installer possesses the expertise and experience required to handle the intricacies of the installation process. They understand the nuances of working with different vehicle models, ensuring a seamless and precise application that avoids bubbles or imperfections. Using top-notch materials and advanced equipment, a reputable installer guarantees a durable and visually appealing vehicle wrap. Inferior materials or shoddy installation can result in premature fading or damage, compromising the brand's image and investment. Moreover, partnering with the right installer ensures compliance with local regulations and laws regarding vehicle wraps. This saves businesses from potential legal issues and ensures a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, vehicle wraps offer a powerful advertising solution for businesses on wheels. To maximize the impact and longevity of these mobile billboards, it's vital to work with a professional installer. Their expertise, quality materials, and attention to detail will help businesses make a memorable and effective statement on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.